bringing you the secrets to fast hair growth with the ingredients in your kitchen. If your hair is sparse, your hair is not growing, your hair hasn't passed a certain length for years, your edges are bald, ends are splitted and nothing, your hair lacks volume, your hair is so limp and weak, your edges are bald, your hair sheds non-stop, your hair breaks a lot. Now, this is the time to take care of your hair using the natural ingredients that you find around you. Stop sleeping on these ingredients. I am a living testament to the fact that these natural ingredients, they work. They work. You can see the thickness of my hair. You can see my hair before and after. I've been using this for over 5 years and counting, and it hasn't failed me. If you check my videos from the inception of this channel, that was like 4 years ago, you will definitely see that I've been consistent with this particular ingredient. I'm not even joking. After watching this video, you can go back to my videos of 4 years ago and then compare my hair from then till now and then see the difference. I've been consistent with these ingredients, and I even added it another ingredient to make it even more amazing. Herbal ingredients are 100% natural. They are safe to use in your hair. They are very safe and cannot damage your hair. If you're consistent with it, you will definitely see results in the health of your hair, lushness of your hair, volume of your hair, length of your hair, health of your hair, name it. Your hair is going to flourish with these ingredients. Make it, be consistent with it, use it religiously. When I mean religiously, use it every day. Yes, use it every day and do not rinse off. You can only rinse off after 7 days of consistent use. You can wash the part that has your hair balded, where you're balded. You can wash that area and continue. That is, if you're using it for your bald spots, you can wash the area just not to clog your pores. If you're the type that have sensitive scalp, I expect you to wash your hair every 2 weeks. After using this consistently for 2 weeks, wash your hair for every 2 weeks basically, and then you continue the next day or after washing your hair. These products work, but it is your consistency that will make you see results. I am telling you this with all seriousness. Do not joke with this particular recipe that we're about to make on this channel. Ensure you watch the video to the end as to get all the instructions. For my first ingredients, I will be using fresh moringa leaves. Please do not bother yourself. If you don't have fresh moringa leaves, you can go for the dried ones or you can go for the powdered ones, provided it is moringa. So my next ingredient is cloves. If you check from the inception of this video, of this channel, I mean to say, you will definitely see me using fresh moringa leaves. You could tell that I've been consistent with moringa. Now, for the proportion, measure out 1 tablespoon of cloves. If you're using the powder, use 1 teaspoon of the cloves powder. Grab a jar like so. Please and please make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. Make sure you use clean apparatus. For my oil of choice, I will be using olive oil. Please, you can use grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, any oil that is carrier oil that is safe for hair that you have around you. Please use it in 1 cup, that is 250 ml worth. Transfer that into your jar and then form a paste with the fresh moringa leaves and the cloves boards basically. If you have the powder, you don't need to go through those processes. Just measure out your ingredients and pour in the oil in the jar. Boil up some water in your pot. This is a DIY double boiler method. Sorry, I had to skip the part where I strain the oil, but just allow the oil in the water bath for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then once it is time, bring down your jar, allow to cool down a bit before straining as not to burn your hands. Go ahead and strain this and transfer into your applicator bottle like so. Use it on your scalp daily to massage. For one, I massage my scalp daily. I don't miss it. That is why most of the time you see me with my scalp massager. I use this a lot. Hair care is very important. Like I always say, hair care is very important. No matter how genetics favors you, if you don't care for your hair, it is not going to thrive. Take for instance, your genetics favors you and your hair grows, let's just assume your hair grows an inch every month. If you don't care for that inch that you're growing, it is going to be a mess. It is going to shed and break. And at the end of the day, you will not have hair on your head. So make sure you retain all the length that you are growing by taking good care of your hair. From my 6 years of growing natural hair, I have learned that hair care is very important. If you don't care for your hair, it is not going to thrive. Forget the noise out there about genetics. If you don't care for your hair, sis, your hair is not going to thrive. If your hair likes, let it grow an inch every day. If you don't maintain that inch that you're growing, it is going to shed all out, damage, and you will have nothing on your head. So hair care is very important. Take it from me today. If you don't take anything off this video today, note that hair care is very important. Don't listen to anybody telling you about genetics, this, genetics, that. Take good care of your hair. Another thing that is very important is to avoid over manipulation. For instance, I'm going to leave you with this. For instance, buy 2 brooms. Use weaker brooms, use one most of the time. Always use one to sweep and then leave the other one. Over time, you will notice that the one you left will be longer than the one that you use most of the time. Ponder on this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you soon.